Today we are going to design business cards, and this example is a step-by-step workflow for a real estate agent who either has some of their brand guidelines established or just wants to start from scratch. We will go through each one of these steps and their prompts and what they do and why they're used. Right here is the example chat that we'll be walking through, one that I've already done. So you can see the queries and responses and our final products. And over here's a chat where you can start fresh and create your own business cards. So this little README section, we need to establish our brand framework. So it's going to need some information to create this business card. First things first is we're going to go to step one, and we want to create a persona for this. There is a prompt here that you can copy and paste into a persona module. Okay, I've already done this for you, so you can use this one. If you want to make any edits to this persona module, you just go in here and click edit, and then you can change any of the text inside. Step two is we're going to use prompt one, but you need to fill in your information with details. So your brand name, what is it? This is a real estate team. You can be plumbing, electric, mortgage, whatever you'd like. I have some color codes in here. You don't necessarily need these yet, but it would be good to find some kind of template or color swatches that you like, so this chat can start building off some of the context. You're gonna put in your name, your number, your title, and then your email as well as your website. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to attach this persona to a chat. And remember, this chat would technically be blank if you're going to start from scratch. So this says example chat on it, so I can walk you through each one of my prompts and each one of its responses. We're going to copy and paste this prompt one after you change the information inside of it. And then we're going to put that into the chat here and just send it away. You can see it's right here at the top. And this is only giving context to this chat. So now it has the persona and it has what I am, who I am, my colors with the typography. And we're doing this because we need to give context to the chat. So if we just said create logo, it could do anything. But now it has what our company actually is. After it replies with this prompt, we will move on to the next section, which is copy and paste prompt 2 into the main chat. So prompt 2 is going to help us create the logo for our business. If you already have a logo, you can skip this step, drop in the image of your logo in here, and then connect it to the chat and tell it, hey, my logo's uploaded, take a look at that. If you don't have a logo, we'll walk through this step together really quick. So I've pasted in prompt 2, and this is just guidelines around how to create this logo. And it has examples of real companies' logos to use as context to create our logos. After it replies with its one-liner prompt, I don't need to copy and paste this and re-put the prompt in. I can just say generate multiple variations of the logo. And when this is done generating, we'll be able to choose from one of these logos. So all you have to do for this is grab the image that it generated and pull it out into the chat. And then you can see that it has a connector that you can connect. Personally, the one that I like is this one here. So before I move on, I will connect this logo to the chat. Now we'll move on to step 4. So step 4 is going to create our color swatches. So we have our logo. Now we want to create our color swatches so we have something to refer to when creating this business card. What's the background of the business card going to be? What's good contrast between the background and the font? That's what this color swatch board is going to do for us. It will reply with, hey, this is what I think your color swatch is going to look like. You just say generate the swatch board. And now we have actual color codes that we can use. I'll move on to step 5 here. So this is the business card prompt. This is saying, hey, you're going to create the business card. You're going to use this information that we've gone over in these past steps. So our logo, our color swatches, as well as information about our business. But again, we will copy this prompt, paste it in here. This is it. It's going to come back to us with a written version of what this image is going to look like. So we have all the context there. Now we just need to say generate the variations. And here's a couple of options. So it's taken our logo that we picked, it's taken our color swatches. We can see that these are all different shades of our colors. Okay, so this is the one that I like. We drag these different options out so we can see them. This is how you provide a chat with enough context about yourself and about your business that's ready to actually print. So we can download this image here, save as, and upload it to whatever company that we want to use to create our business cards. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel and comment with any other tutorials that you would like to see.